The Venice of North is just one of the many names attributed to the beauty of Amsterdam's canals. Here are a few suggestions on how to enjoy them the local way.
Number 5. To explore lesser known canals, rent a boat in the southern part of the city, Amsterdam East. Tourists rarely make it this far, so take your time to soak in the local neighborhood vibes and at the same time get friendlier prices for your boat rental. Ask your captain to navigate towards the city center, where you can disembark and explore the old town. Number 4. Get out of your bed early to experience Amsterdam like never before. Cycle around empty canals while the city is slowly waking up in front of your sleepy eyes. By getting out of your house at 7 AM, you will be able to experience the city on your own pace and in the most beautiful morning light.
One of the best ways to enjoy the canals of Amsterdam is to actually live on one of them. And if you don't have plans to move to Amsterdam just yet, befriend a local who lives in a houseboat, like I did with Caroline. Wow,
This is my boat.
this is your house.
Yeah.
What's life like on a boat?
Different, it's freedom, I always call it. I don't have opposite neighbors, I don't have neighbors below me. I have the feeling that I live in the middle of the country, in the middle of the city, because I have the water. There are some ducks and swans swimming by, and so that's really like the touch with nature.
Feels like in the middle of nature, but you're in the middle of the
in the middle of the city.
Wow.
So that's really great.
Number 2. While walking around the canals, you'll see that the Dutch are not shy to put their chairs and even little tables along the canal and enjoy their time in the sun. So to have the best Amsterdam experience, do like the locals do. Make your way towards Ten Katen Market, which will cover all your picnic needs. Fresh vegetables, good bread and a local cheese selection. Walk along the nearby canals till you find a nice spot to sit down and enjoy the sight of canal boats passing by. But who needs to worry about picnics when there are cool terraces along the same canals? Visit an eatery adored by locals called Waterkant. Their terrace is just on the edge of the waterway, and even if all the tables are full, you can still join others simply sitting down on the brink of the sidewalk. Check out their menu for a nice selection of finger foods and refreshing beers.
Hopefully now you have more ideas on how to explore Amsterdam's canals. For more local insights worldwide, check out our YouTube channel, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Tot ziens!